If you think you're too busy to lose weight, this 2-minute video could change everything. Hey, this is Flip Fit Yourself, and today I'm giving you the exact weight loss meal plan for busy people. No cooking stress, no complicated macros, just fat loss that fits real life. Most people don't fail at weight loss because of food. They fail because of time. They skip meals, grab junk, overeat at night, and the cycle repeats. Let's fix that. Breakfast: Greek yogurt plus berries plus handful of nuts or protein shake plus banana. Lunch: rotisserie chicken plus microwave rice plus frozen veggies or tuna wrap plus apple. Snack: protein bar or boiled eggs. Dinner: pre-cut veggies plus lean protein plus ready grains sheet pan meals. One pan. Done. Shop once. Prep once. Repeat the same meals Monday to Friday. Less thinking. More consistency. Faster fat loss. You don't need more time, you need a better system. Like and subscribe to Flip Fit Yourself for real-world fat loss that actually works. See you in the next video.